Hello everybody, my name is Ralph and I am your music production teacher. I would be thrilled to welcome you to our course here at WeLearn because we take the dauntingness, the difficulty out of music tech or music production, make it easy and fun. We will start with simple sounds, one key, then we will step out and step up 2 chords, and we will make loops, and several loops mixed together will make a passage of a song. These passages put together will make your first own produced song. It's easy if we spend time and take the difficulty away. Learning by doing, feeling what happens to people listening to your sound. You have an instrument? Bring the instrument here. I can promise you to have fun and that the product you will walk out with after this course is yours. You will be quite proud, and if you look back at what you can do, you will be even surprised and asking yourself, did I do that? Was I able to do that? For sure, with more practice, this can be your start into professional music production. Come, join me here at WeLearn, where we are not only about knowledge, we go further, we go beyond knowledge. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in our music tech course.